toy from Toy Kingdom, and it was gotten, so there was the virus, so we just have to go out. So now what is the next part?
You try to open the gift.
And here's what's inside it. Huh. It seems to have more boxes than usual.
Yeah, see, you open it.
Yeah.
What kind of toy is that?
Velociraptor Jurrasic World.
Well, tell us something about that.
It can move if anyone presses this button. The same time, the arms will move. Yan, yan. And no way for. Oh, the head can move.
The head can move?
Yes, look. Chee, chee. I wonder if the tail can move. Nope. The tail can. Nope. The tail can move.
The tail can move?
I
Okay,
guess.
let's cut it big.
What?
We will take it off from the packaging.
Take it off. But her butt unbox it.
There.
Wait, what does this one say? Looks like.
Oh, there's a free card daw.
What's a free card?
Be.
Is this free card at the back?
Yeah, I think so.
So how to get it out?
Let me check
What?
it.
Look, the feet can move.
Oh, the feet also can move. That's nice. Be, come here, Be.
What? The mouth can move.
The mug can move.
That's not like this. Not like my other dinosaur.
Yeah. Just like your other Jurassic World dinosaur toy. Be, can I have it? I'll have to cut it out from the box. Marky,
Huh?
let's take it out from the box.
Okay, but
Be, come here, Be. Give me that, Be.
again.
Be. Be.
This one is
Yeah, go there na lang. You just talk more about this.
the tie can move so many times, and I think there's a card in there.
Here.
Mamita, so what is in the back? What's this one?
I will take this one out. I'll give it to you there.
I think it's a hidden card.
Yeah, I'll give it to you there lang.
Here's what it's like when it's out of the box.
What's the name of that dinosaur again?
Velociraptor.
Oh, you tell us about the Velociraptor. Is it a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore?
Carnivore.
Oh, it only ate meat?
And it runs really fast.
Is it the fastest among the dinosaur?
No, the Gallimimus is even faster.
What? The
Gallimimus is even faster than the Velociraptors.
Who's galamine?
Gallimimus.
What's that?
Another sort of dinosaur.
Another kind of dinosaur.
I kept the sand.
And then what else? Tell us something more about that. A trivia or anything.
It can also move. It can also do like this. can also known as looking like this. With like this. So what was the arms? I have to make it balance it.
Sus, man to gali makuha. Pilit eh.
Is that a hidden card?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you show them. You show it to them.
By the way, there's actually a hidden card. Where's this hidden card for?
Oh, it's a map. Is it a map?
It is a map to the Lego Jurassic World. And there's T-Rex, Carnotaurus, Allosaurus, Stegosaurus, and Ankylosaurus. Bumpy is Apophynis. So,
And the other one, what's that?
I think these are the stickers.
Oh, those are stickers? Where are you going to put those?
I guess that they belong here.
Oh, really?
Because they're same.
B, show it to the camera, B. Go near the camera.
Hmm?
Wait. Where? Show it to me to the camera. Oh, yeah. I think it belongs there. Sige na. Iayo na diha.
It is a sticker.
Yeah, okay.
I guess there's so many things. See, this one now got ripped apart. This sticker got ripped apart.
Where? Can I see it? You want me to take it out? Be.
It got ripped apart.
Oh, I see.
The Carnotaurus got ripped apart.
It's rip apart. Hindi ba naman English lang eh? Rip apart. Oh, this one oh. Oh. You slowly.
Carnotaurus.
This one. What is this? What do you call this one?
That's the Ankylosaurus. It goes at the last piece. It's the farthest. That's.
Moldy na di ay. Very nice. Eh.
Two.
Mm.
Stegosaurus. One left.
The last one is this one. What is this?
I guess that's Velociraptor.
Ah, here. Perfectly fit. And done? Be, show me, Be. Show me the dinosaurs, the stickers. Ta-dan! All done. What do you call those dinosaurs?
T-Rex, Velociraptor, Carnotaurus, Stegosaurus, and Ankylosaurus.
Are all of those carnivores?
2 herbivores and 3 carnivores.
Oh, who are those carnivores?
T-Rex, Velociraptor, and Carnotaurus.
And the herbivores?
Stegosaurus and Ankylosaurus.
How about that one?
This one is it's the same as this one. It's still Velociraptor.
And it is an omnivore?
Carnivore.
It is an omnivore or herbivore or carnivore?
Carnivore.
Carnivore? It eats only meat
And fast.
and also fast.
And can't run for too long.
Okay. O sige, play na with that. Time to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Huh? Balance.
What is a big hours a minute? Oh. Big cool, man.